In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hootsuite for social listening. If you're looking to stay on top of conversations about your brand or industry online, Hootsuite can be a powerful tool. It allows you to monitor and engage with social media discussions efficiently. So, let's dive into how you can leverage Hootsuite's social listening features to boost your marketing strategy. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred browser and type in Hootsuite to access their main website. Once there, it's time to kickstart your journey by opting for their free trial if you haven't signed up yet. This will give you full access to their suite of features, including the all-important social listening tools. Plus, trying it for free is a great way to explore everything it has to offer without any upfront commitment. As you navigate through the Hootsuite dashboard, head over to the main menu and select More. From there, you'll find an option called Listening. Click on this to open up the social listening features. This section is the hub for everything related to monitoring social media channels and tracking discussions relevant to your brand. Now that you're in the listening section, you can start keeping tabs on the internet buzz by entering specific keywords, hashtags, or URLs. It's all about finding what you want to monitor. Maybe it's your company's name, the industry you're in, or even your competitor's page. This is your opportunity to dissect what's being said about you or topics that matter most to your strategy. For faster results, take advantage of the Quick Search feature. This is a really handy tool that can pinpoint conversations revolving around your brand, particular industries, or any topics you're curious about. If you're keen on staying updated with what's currently hot, check out the Trending Topics feature. It shows you what's popular now, giving you the chance to tap into timely content that might resonate with your target audience. To make your life even easier, Hootsuite lets you create custom boards and streams. These are excellent for organizing different monitoring topics by network, priority, or business objectives. This way, you have an efficient setup for your daily monitoring activities. You can keep all your important conversations at your fingertips, neatly categorized for quick access, depending on what's most crucial for your brand's performance. By the end of this setup, you'll be all set to navigate the social media landscape more effectively, ensuring you never miss an important mention or trend relevant to your business. Remember, in the world of digital marketing, being reactive is key, and with Hootsuite, you'll always be a step ahead. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your social listening strategy.